CHAMISA recently resigned as the leader of the CCC after self-imposed Interim Secretary General Senezo Shibango called off several of CHAMISA's loyal CCC MPs from Parliament. In light of the Blue Movement gaining ground, in some parts of the country, CHAMISA sent his most trustpinazal trusted legislators, Amos Chibaya and Ostola Siziba, to travel across the country making noise about the existence of this new party that is on the way. Whilst many of CHAMISA's supporters will forever be loyal to him despite which party he is leading, some are very skeptical on the authenticity of this Blue Movement, and they would very much love to see more from the party before they jump ship from the CCC. It is also important to note that CHAMISA did in fact lost a significant amount of his supporters when he decided to leave the CCC. Some people really didn't take that very well because they still believed he could have stayed and fought for his party till the very end. And this has probably led to CHAMISA's credibility taking a dive because some now believe that he's not a fighter. Anyways, Nelson Chamisa sees this Blue Movement party as his last hope to regain the public trust and win back all those supporters he lost, including those who are still unaware that he resigned from the CCC and are still supporting the CCC. But one thing is very clear. CHAMISA needs to voice out his new party's direction and develop a well-thought-out strategy to establish his new party in all parts of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, it also goes without saying that CHAMISA needs a stronger governance as the focal point in establishing this party, or else it will probably end up just like the CCC.